Hi guys, welcome to Rafi's vlog. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Rafi and welcome to my vlog once again. From the title of this vlog, I'm going to show you how to create a blocked account. As you know guys, as you're applying to come and study here in Germany, one requirement is that you need to have a blocked account. So I'm just going to show you how to create this blocked account. Recently, from January, they have revisited or revised the law in that you need to deposit 11,208 euros into the blocked account in order for you to come and study here in Germany. So once again, I'm going to mention you need to deposit 11,208 euros into a blocked account in order for your visa to be approved to come and study here in Germany. I have been getting so many questions like, how do I create a blocked account? So I'm just gonna show you how I was able to create the Fintiba blocked account. As you all know, I am also a brand ambassador. I am a brand ambassador, guys. Like, I am an ambassador of Fintiba. Like, seriously, yes. People come to me for consulting about tips on studying here in Germany, and you can also be an Fintiba ambassador. Like, you just need to create an account and all of your process to work out as smoothly as possible, and you have to be like using Fintiba for more than 1 year. So that's how I ended up becoming a Fintiba ambassador. So yes, I am. I feel so good. So like many people approach me with so many questions on how to create the Fintiba blocked account. So I'm gonna show you how to do it from the ambassador himself. Like, this is the ambassador we're talking about. Excuse me, respect here. Respect. Guys, like, being an ambassador of Fintiba, that's something I had never thought about. Like, it's not like I recently became a Fintiba ambassador. I have been a Fintiba ambassador for 1 year plus. It's just that I have not been paying so much attention to all these conferences that we need to attend and all these things that we need to do with Fintiba. I've not been so much concentrated because I have been through a lot, guys. Like, a lot has been happening in my life, in my love life, in my work life, in my study life. Like, seriously, like 2023 just came to kill me. Like, I'm like, what are you doing? Anyway, enough about myself. I'm gonna show you how to create a Fintiba account. Okay, so let's go. Yes, so I'm going to take you through how to create a blocked account with Fintiba. So the first step is to visit the Fintiba website, which is www.fintiba.com. So you will arrive on the web page of Fintiba, and here there are so many information that you need to read. Just take your time, read this information, and get acquainted with this information. So because we're just directly going to a blocked account, so we just type blocked account. So you can say open account now. So this is how it will go. Okay, so I already bought a product from this, and because I already have a Fintiba account. So once you tap open an account now, you will be taken to a website that will require you to register an account. So in this page, you'll be required to provide your email address and create a password. So in that place, you'll be able to choose the blocked account option, which in the blocked account option, once you've logged in, you will need to fill out an application form. So this application form will be like something like this. Just give me a second. So if you want to get a blocked account now, you need to also just register with them. So get blocked account now. Yes. So basically you need to register with Fintiba if you want a blocked account. You need to register with your email and put on your personal data here. So once you've put all the personal data here, it will take you to this web page. Once you're finished uploading your documents, and once you have finished also filling up the application form, so you will have created your own account with Fintiba. So once you've created your own account with Fintiba, all this is documents. So all these are the documents: bank statements, uploads, visa application. All of these are categorized. So you need to go to visa application. If you are granted the visa, you need to upload your visa here. You can either take a photo of your visa, or you can do a scanning of your visa and upload in this area. And then my uploads. So basically my uploads. So my uploads were certificate of foreign status, live photo, visa uploads, passport, and all the things that I have uploaded and are very, very important. So, and I don't know what to say anymore. Yeah, so you are already in this account, and you need to now deposit. You need to know, you'll be shown your account details. In this web page, you'll be required to upload the uploads that you have made, which I have currently stated. And then you'll verify your identity. Verifying your identity is that you will need to make a video call confirming your identity with Fintiba, so that they can know you are the person that looks the same as the passport and as the visa, as everything, Then after that, the seventh step is that you'll be required to deposit the funds. You need to transfer the amount of money, a minimum of 11,208 euros, into your Fintiba blocked account. This is a legal requirement for student visa applicants in Germany to prove they have sufficient funds to cover living expenses. Mind you, this money is not for the government, is not for anyone else but you. This money, you will be able to access it when you come to Germany here. Accessible to this money in little bits, like maybe they might be sending you 850 euros per month, and then 850 euros the next month, like that, until the money is over. Once you have deposited the amount of money, you receive the blocking confirmation. Will be very, very, very important in your student visa application. So this confirmation, it's a document stating that you have indeed blocked 11,208 euros into this account, and you can use this document for your visa application to come here in Germany to study. Have I made myself clear? To come here and study. Step number 9 is to visit the German embassy. you need to schedule an appointment with the German embassy in your home country to apply for a student visa. You will need to provide them with the confirmation of the blocked account as part of your visa application. Please note that. Complete the visa process. Follow the necessary steps to complete your student visa application at the German embassy. The specific requirements and procedures may vary depending on the country of residence. So remember, the process may change, and it's crucial to stay updated with the latest information from Fintiba and also the German authorities to ensure a smooth application process. So basically, this is what I wanted to share with you guys, and you will be able to create a Fintiba account. I know I have not gone deep into details, but please check on the description box below so that you are able to know more about what I'm talking about, the steps and the requirements. Fintiba is the best, and to be honest, that's the money that you're going to be receiving, like almost 856 euros per month. You'll be receiving this amount of money every month. And once you come here to Germany and once all of your documents are clear and sorted out, just follow every step that Fintiba gives you and you will be able to have access to that money. So this is the bank that you can transfer the money to, Fintiba. This is the bank number for my account, but in your account you'll have different digits, different account number, so you can transfer the money to your Fintiba account and come to Germany and study. So this is just a rough idea of how to create a Fintiba account. Now that you have seen how to create a Fintiba account, so I think your questions are all answered. So if you have not really gotten the information very clearly, you can check on the description below. I'm going to write down the steps, step by step, that will guide you into creating your Fintiba account and be able to apply for a study visa to come here in Germany to study. I'm very, to be honest, I'm very happy when I see success stories and things happening in different parts of Germany, like people coming from different parts of the world just because they saw my YouTube video and it motivated them to come. It makes me so super happy. So I'm always overwhelmed with joy when I hear success stories. So anyway, I would like to extend my warm and sincere gratitude for always staying tuned to my YouTube channel. And you always know that I bring the information to you. So yeah. Anyway, why do I like doing that? I have not forgotten any information about Fintiba, but I always want you to know that if you feel I have forgotten an information about Fintiba, then you can check also other channels. Welcome to join. Anyway, thank you so much for staying tuned to my YouTube channel, and thank you for the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for viewing my channel once again. It always brings me joy to see you guys just come to my channel and learn a lot about moving to Germany to study. So take care, choose, and let's see each other later.